A sunny September couple of days at Samford, or as we call it, Family Weekend. Coast to coast, thousands of Samford faithful from the Sunshine State to the Golden State are here, and they make the trip because it's family.
One thing that's super unique to Samford is they actually invest in your families as well. It's really cool because I know they're always like praying for your families, and like I remember when I was first a freshman here, one of my teachers like wrote my parents a letter, and they still talk about that to this day. So it's very personal, which I think makes your Samford experience great, but also your parents and your families, which is really exciting.
It is. It's a home. Our older son went to UW Wisconsin, which is a big, massive public university, and so they did have a family weekend in a football game, but it's nothing like this. This is much more intimate, and there's just deeper connections with people relationship-wise.
We're allowed to be involved. We're invited to be involved, and I think that's just wonderful.
And having family here, it's a chance to show off your home away from home.
The Samford community is just the most unique thing because all of us from different countries, from different cities, from different states, we just all come together, and I think we just have this intense love for Samford that just surpasses all the differences we have, and it's just amazing to see people come together on the quad just to tailgate and have fun.
Family Weekend is just one part of Samford's welcoming and caring community.